Welcome to another tutorial where I'll be teaching you how to utilize your left hand with the piano so well. Alright? Mostly we use a power chord. Whenever you are doing a praise, make sure you use a power chord. So, like, I want to teach you a bass progression that you can use, or rather a line that you can use to maneuver with praises, basically for East African setting kind of songs. So understand me? So it begins here. That bass begins with C sharp, go to D sharp, F sharp. Alright? Our A sharp, or rather G sharp, is our kick. So you can feel it every time that I'm moving here. If I go to B, I'm moving here. If I'm going to C sharp, I'm coming here. So all right, let me mix with the understand? We mix both right hand and left hand. This is what we are going to do. Right? That will do it. So thank you. Subscribe for more.